Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about life cycle of flowering plants. The life cycle of a plant refers to the sequence of developmental stages that a plant undergoes from its germination to seed formation. There are 5 different stages of flowering plant life cycle. First is pollination, then fertilization, next seed development, after that seed dispersal, and last is germination. First we will learn about pollination. Pollen grains from the male parts of a flower, anther, are transferred to the female parts, stigma, either by wind, insects, birds, or other means. As you can see in this picture, a pollinator is transferring pollen grain to stigma. Next is fertilization. Once a pollen grain reaches a stigma, it forms a pollen tube that grows down through the style into the ovary, where fertilization occurs. This results in the formation of seeds. Then is seed development. Once flower has been fertilized, the ovary develops into fruit containing seeds. This seed then grows into new plant. A seed has 3 main parts: an embryo, a baby plant, a food supply for embryo, and a seed coat, which protects the seed from damage. The 4th stage is seed dispersal. Mature seeds are dispersed from the parent plant to new locations. This can happen in various ways, such as wind, water, animals, or mechanical means. Last is germination. Under suitable conditions, the seed absorbs water and begins to sprout. Embryo inside the seed starts to develop roots that grow downwards into the soil, and shoots that grow upwards towards the light. Once the seed has germinated, the seedling emerges from the soil. At this stage, the plant relies on stored nutrients within the seed until it can produce its own food through photosynthesis. The seedling continues to grow and develop leaves, stems, and roots. When conditions are favorable, the plant produces flowers. Flowers contain reproductive organs, including male, stamens with pollen, and female parts, pistils with ovules. And the cycle continues from pollination again. This is the diagram showing stages of flowering plant life cycle. If you liked my video, do give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.